Network security refers to the measures taken by any enterprise or organization to secure its computer network and data using both hardware and software systems. This aims at securing the confidentiality and accessibility of the data and network. Every company or organization that handles a large amount of data has a degree of solutions against many cyber threats. Network security encompasses all the steps taken to protect the integrity of a computer network and the data within it. Network security is important because it keeps sensitive data safe from cyber attacks and ensures the network is usable and trustworthy. Successful network security strategies employ multiple security solutions to protect users and organizations from malware and cyber attacks, like distributed denial of service. A network is composed of interconnected devices, such as computers, servers, and wireless networks. Many of these devices are susceptible to potential attackers. Network security involves the use of a variety of software and hardware tools on a network or as software as a service. Security becomes more important as networks grow more complex and enterprises rely more on their networks and data to conduct business. Security methods must evolve as threat actors create new attack methods on these increasingly complex networks. Network security is essential for several reasons, as it plays a critical role in safeguarding the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data and information within a network. Here are some key reasons why network security is necessary. Data protection. Confidentiality. Network security ensures that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized individuals or systems, preventing unauthorized access and data breaches. Integrity. It helps in maintaining the accuracy and consistency of data by preventing unauthorized modifications, alterations, or tampering. Preventing unauthorized access. Network security measures, such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and access controls, help in preventing unauthorized individuals or entities from gaining access to sensitive information. Protection against malware and viruses. Network security helps to detect and prevent the spread of malware, viruses, and other malicious software that can compromise the functionality and security of a network. Ensuring business continuity. Network security measures contribute to the reliability and availability of network resources. By preventing disruptions caused by attacks, organizations can ensure the continuity of their business operations. Safeguarding against cyber attacks. With the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks, network security is crucial for defending against various threats, including DDoS attacks, ransomware, phishing, and more. Protecting user privacy. Network security measures help protect the privacy of users by ensuring that personal and sensitive information is handled securely and is not susceptible to unauthorized access or disclosure. Compliance with regulations. Many industries and organizations are subject to regulatory requirements regarding data protection and security. Implementing robust network security measures helps ensure compliance with these regulations.